Now sums from problem set 6 which are related to practice set 6.2 are sum number 1, that is MCQ question, choose a correct alternative. Only one sum is there, that is sum 4. Then sum number 6, sum number 7, sum number 8, sum number 9 and sum number 10. Now the choose a correct alternative, only one sum is left, that is sum number 4 from the first sum. Now when we see at a higher level from the horizontal line angle formed, angle formed is what? So from a horizontal line, if you look at a higher level, then what this angle is known as, whether it is known as angle of elevation, angle of depression, or is it zero or straight angle. So when we look at a higher level, that is a correct option is what? A, that is angle of depression. No, not depression, angle of elevation. Depression is from looking at from higher to lower level. So the correct answer is what? Angle of elevation. Now problem set 6, sum number 6, they have given a boy is standing at a distance of 48 meters from a building and observes the top of the building and makes an angle of elevation. So let us take AB as a building and the boy is standing at the position C. So from the C, the position C or point C, the boy is looking at the top of the building, that is point A, and makes an angle of elevation. तो यहाँ पे AB building हो गया, C वो position है जहाँ पे लड़का खड़ा है और और ये position में खड़ा होकर लड़का top of the building को observe करता है. जब भी वो top of the building को observe करता है तो कितना angle बनाता है? Angle of elevation 30 degree. तो AB is the height of the building, point C is the position of the boy, and BC, that is this BC is equal to 48 meters, that is already given, is the distance between the building and the boy. So between the boy and the building, how much it is, distance between them is how much? 48 meters. And angle of elevation, that is theta, is equal to what? Angle ACB, that is this angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. We have to find out the height of the building. So we have to find out the opposite side and adjacent side is given. So we will use tan 30. So in right angled triangle, ABC, tan theta is equal to how much? AB upon BC. Theta is equal to how much? 30 degree. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equal to AB, we have to find out, and BC is equal to how much? 48 meters. Now what's the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore, 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon 48, is equal to AB upon 48. Now take this 48 on this side, so what you will get? AB is equal to 48 upon root 3. और denominator में कभी भी root नहीं रखता है, so we have to rationalize the denominator. Therefore AB is equal to 48 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So that is equal to 48 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3. 3 ones are 16. So that's equal to how much? 16 root 3 meter. So what's the answer? The height of the building is root 3 meters. Now if root 3 value is given in the question, then you can put the value of root 3 1.73 and then multiply with 16 and you can get that way also you can find out the answer if root 3 value is given. Now 7th sum of problem set 6, they have given from the top of the lighthouse an observer looks at a ship and finds the angle of depression to be 30 degree, and if the height of the lighthouse is 100 meter, then find how far the ship is from lighthouse. So AB is a lighthouse and the height of the lighthouse they have given 100 meter. From the top of the lighthouse an observer looks at the ship which is at position C. So ship is over here, so the observer is looking at the point ship at the point C and makes an angle of depression. So since he is looking from the top to the bottom, so angle of depression will be how much? Is given how much? 30 degree. Now so point C is a position of this ship, BC is the distance between the ship and the lighthouse. Angle of depression is equal to theta is equal to angle DAC, that is equal to how much? 30 degree. Now ray AD is parallel to ray side BC and AC is a transversal, therefore this angle, that is DAC, is angle to ACB. So DAC is equal to DAC is equal to angle ACB. Why? Because they are alternate angle. Therefore angle ACB will be equal to how much? 30 degree. So if this is 30 degree, this will also be 30 degree because alternate angles are congruent to each other. So we have to find out how far the ship is away from the lighthouse. Now in right angle triangle ABC, this triangle, opposite side we know and adjacent side we have to find out. So we will find out tan theta is equal to opposite side AB upon BC. Now theta is equal to how much? 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB is given 100 upon BC. Now how much is tan 30? 1 upon root 3 is equal to 100 upon BC. Take this root 3 on this side and BC on this side. So BC into 1 will be how much? BC is equal to 100 into root 3 is how much? 100 root 3 meters. So what is the distance between the ship and the lighthouse? Is 100 root 3 meters. If you want, you can write this way also. The ship is away from the lighthouse by how much? 100 root 3 meters. If the value of root 3 is given, you can substitute the value of root 3 and then you can find out by multiplying 100 into root 3 value is what? 1.73. Now sum number 8, they have given two buildings are in front of each other. So these are the two buildings, AB or CD, दो building है, are in front of each other, and on a road, it is on the road. On the width of the road they have given how much? 15 meters. So width of the road is 15 meter. From the top of the first building, so from the top of the first building, an observer is standing at the top of the first building and the height of the first building is given how much? 12 meter. The angle of elevation, the observer looks at the top of the second building, that is CD, and angle of elevation made by the observer while looking at the top of the second building is how much? 30 degree. Now let us draw AE which is perpendicular to CD. So angle CAE is equal to 30 degree. So AB is equal to 12 meter is the height of the first building. CD is the height of the second building. BD is equal to 15 meter is the width of the road. We have to draw AE perpendicular to CD. Angle of elevation, that is this. Angle of elevation theta is equal to angle CAE is equal to 30 degree. Now in this quadrilateral ABDE, in this quadrilateral, angle B and angle D is equal to 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. And angle AED, this is also 90 degree. Why? AE is perpendicular to CD and one angle is only remaining, so that will also become 90 degrees. Since all the angles of quadrilateral ABDE is a right angle, therefore quadrilateral ABDE is a rectangle. Since it is a rectangle, so opposite sides will be equal. So AB is equal to ED, AB is equal to ED, and BD is equal to AE. BD is equal to AE. Why? Opposite sides of a rectangle. So opposite sides of rectangle are equal. If AB is equal to 12 meters, so this will also be 12 meter, and if BD is equal to 15 meters, so AE is also 15 meter. So ED is equal to how much? 12 meter, and AE is equal to how much? 15 meter. 12 meter. Now in this triangle, in right angle triangle ACE, we know the adjacent side and we have to find out the opposite side. So what we will take? Tan. So tan 30, tan theta is equal to how much? Tan theta is equal to opposite side CE upon adjacent side AE. So is equal to CE upon AE. Therefore tan 30 is equal to CE, we have to find out AE is equal to how much? 15. What is tan 30? 1 upon root 3 is equal to CE upon 15. Now cross multiply, take this 15 over here. So what we'll get? CE is equal to 15 upon root 3. Since in the denominator we are having root, so we have to rationalize the denominator. So CE is equal to 15 upon root 3 and multiply and divide by root 3. So root 3 upon root 3. Rationalizing the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator, therefore CE is equal to how much? 15 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3. This will be 5. So the CE we have got what? 5 root 3. So height of the second building is what? CD. CD is equal to what? CE plus ED. CE plus ED. So that's equal to CE we have got 5 root 3 and ED is how much? ED is equal to 12. So that's equal to, so CD is equal to how much? 5 root 3 plus 12 meter. So if they have given the root 3 value, then you can substitute the value of root 3 and you can find out the total distance of CD. Now here they have not given the value of root 3. Now the height of the second building, the height of the second building, the height of the second building is how much? Of the second building, is 12 plus 5 root 3 meters. Now sum number 9, they have given that a ladder on the platform of a fire brigade van can be elevated at an angle of 70 degrees to the maximum. So there is a platform on the fire brigade. On top of the platform there is a ladder which can be extended, which can be elevated at an angle of 70 degrees at the maximum. The length of the ladder, when it is extended, the length of the ladder is how much? 20 meter. And if the platform is of height what? 2 meters. So AE and BD will be equal. Why? Because the height of the platform is 2 meter. So AC is equal to 20 meter is the height of the ladder and AE is equal to BD. Platform तो दोनों तरफ सेम ही रहना चाहिए, तो AE और BD दोनों भी 2 मीटर रहेगा, विच इज़ द हाइट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. और ये प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर लैडर रखा और लैडर को जब भी लीन करेगा तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कितना आएगा? 70 डिग्री. और लैडर का हाइट कितना है? 20 मीटर. सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन थीटा, that is angle CAB is equal to 70 degree. We have to find out the maximum height from the ground. So the maximum height of the ladder from the ground. So how far it is away from the ground when it is leaned against the wall. So since we have to find out, hypotenuse is given and the opposite side we have to find out. So we have to use a sine theta. So sine theta is equal to opposite side BC upon AC. Now theta is equal to how much? 70 degree. Theta is equal to 70 degree. Therefore sine 70 degree is equal to BC we have to find out, and AC is how much? 20. Now value of sine 70 is already given in the question, that is 0.94. Therefore 0.94 is equal to BC upon 20. Now bring this 20 on this side. So what you'll get? BC is equal to 0.94 into 20. Therefore BC is equal to how much when you multiply? 18.80 meter. So BC is equal to how much we have got? 18.80 meter. Now we have to find out the full, how far is the ladder from the ground. So we have to find out the full length CD. So CD is equal to how much? CD is made up of CB plus BD. CB we have got how much? 18.80. And BD is equal to how much? 2 meter. So together it is how much? 20.80 meter. So what is the answer? The maximum height from the ground up to which the ladder can reach is 20.80 meter. Now sum number 10 of problem set 6, they have said when landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. Average speed of the plane was 200 km per hour. So average speed of the plane is 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. That means when he reached over here, means when the plane was at this position and the pilot looked at this position at the point C, so angle of depression was how much? 20 degree, and the speed of the plane was 200 km per hour, and the time taken by the plane, मतलब plane को यहाँ से लेके land होने के लिए कितना time लगा? 54 seconds. तो A से लेके C तक पहुँचने के लिए उसको कितना टाइम लगा? 54 सेकेंड. और स्पीड ऑफ द प्लेन कितना है? 200 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो पहले अपन को AC ढूंढना है, मतलब ये डिस्टेंस उसने कितना ट्रैवल किया वो, क्योंकि कोई भी डिस्टेंस नहीं है, AB का भी डिस्टेंस नहीं है, BC का भी नहीं है, AC का भी नहीं है, सिर्फ एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन दिया है. तो पहले अपन AC ढूंढेंगे, मतलब उसको यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रैवल किया आफ्टर 54 seconds. So first we will find out AC, then we will find out the height at which the plane was from the ground. So at this position, at what height the plane was from the ground. तो जब ये A में पोजीशन था प्लेन का, तो वो कितना ऊपर था ग्राउंड से, वो अपन को ढूंढना है. लेकिन यहाँ पे तीनों वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, AB भी नहीं पता, BC भी नहीं पता, AC भी नहीं पता. तो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट AC. वाई? बिकॉज वी नो द स्पीड ऑफ द प्लेन and we know the time also. The time taken by the plane to reach from A to C is how much? 54 seconds. Now point A is the initial position of the plane, मतलब plane का position पहले इधर था, फिर point C is the position of the plane after landing. Angle of depression is how much? 20 degree. That is angle DAC is equal to 20 degree. Now AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal, so this angle and this angle will be equal. So this angle will be equal to 20 degree because they are alternate angles. So angle DAC is equal to angle ACB. Because they are alternate angle, therefore angle ACB is also equal to 30 degree. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Now we have to find out AC, that is distance. We know that speed is equal to what? Distance upon a time. So we have to find out the distance. We know the time, we know the speed. Therefore distance will be equal to how much? The distance is equal to how much? Time को इधर लेके आओ तो speed into time. What is distance over here? AC. So distance is equal to speed of the plane was how much? Speed of the plane was how much? 200 km per hour. Converted into meter per second because this is in second, so converted into second. So kilometer into meter will be how much? 1000. And 1 hour is equal to how much? 60 into 60 second. That is 1 hour is 60 second, 1 minute is equal to 60 second and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 into 60 and into, that was speed. Now into time. Time is how much? 54. So into 54. Now do the cancellation. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0. 6 ones are 6 nines are 200. 2 stable. 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. So 3 into 100 into 10. So distance is equal to how much? 3 into 100 into 10, that's equal to 3000 meter. So therefore AC is equal to how much? 3000 meter. So now we have got the value of AC. AC is equal to how much? 3000 meter. Now we can find out AB. Now we have to find out the opposite side and hypotenuse is given, so you will use a sine theta. So in right angled triangle ABC, sine theta is equal to opposite side AB and hypotenuse is what? AC. AB upon AC. Sine 30 degree is equal to AB we have to find out and AC we have got how much? 3000 meter. Now sine not 30, 20 it is. Sine 20 degree. Now sine 20 is already given, 0.342 in the question itself is given. Therefore 0.342 is equal to AB upon 3000. Now bring this 3000 over here. So AB is equal to how much? 3000 into 0.342. So that is equal to 1026 meters. Since after 0.3 numbers are there, so this zeros will go away. So 1026 meter. So what is the answer? The height at which the plane was, the height at which the plane was when it started landing, was 1026 meter.